The good thing about our democracy is that we know the contestants, we know their families, we know their communities because they've grown up from among us. So this also should look like a family event. Bayelsa is not a very big state. Bayelsa is a community eating almost the same food, with the same traditional dances, the same language, and almost the same culture. So ordinarily, these events should be a celebration of who we are and our trust in democracy. So on behalf of the chairman of the National Peace Committee, General Abdulsalam, who is unable to be here physically, I represent him. We also have members of the Peace Committee in Imo and in Kogi. I remember when I came here in 2019, I was the only person who came, if you remember. And part of the reason was that there was a lot of fear and anxiety about coming to Bayelsa. And now that I'm here, people are asking me, they say, you chose Bayelsa. It's a very peaceful place compared to other places. But either way, our prayer and our hope is that these elections will go on peacefully. You've had it being said, even by the politicians themselves. Please, I want to add my voice. Vote to stay alive. Vote to see a great Bayelsa. Vote to see a great Nigeria. It will be a terrible tragedy for anybody to lose his life or for you to be in hospital while the celebrations are going on. So please, let's conduct ourselves in a way and manner that will finally make the judiciary, which has become the subject of a lot of vilification. Let's make the judiciary and let's make lawyers redundant. Let's put them out of a job. And the only way we can put them out of a job is to conduct free, fair, and credible elections.
Thank you very much, Bishop. Quickly, like we said, there is no time, so you just step out with the chairman of your party. First of all, New Nigerian People Party. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, and all other candidates.
YPP.
YPP.
YPP. Is YPP here?
ZL.
So, these are the parties that have candidates.